Hi guys, I'm going to show you a really great strategy to have your research and your notes all on one screen so you don't have to click back and forth. So notice I am starting out here with my notes sheet open, and in my other tab I have open my research. Now I am researching someone from Apollo 13, an astronaut from Apollo 13, just to show you how I'm going to go about doing my research. Now what you're going to do is you have the two tabs open. If you click on one tab and drag downwards, notice you have that on your mouse. Drag that all the way to the right side. So that's going to lock into place on the right side. Then come to your other one, grab on the tab, drag down, move over to the left. So notice on the left side I have my research, my website. On my right side I have my notes sheet. Now, like I said, now I am researching James Lovell. He was an astronaut on Apollo 13. And why I'm doing this is to show you how I'm going to research. Notice as I go along that I am not going to be writing complete sentences. The goal is for you to have brief notes to jog your memory. So tomorrow you can take this nonfiction information and embed it into a fiction journal entry. You are going to be writing a journal entry like you were the person you researched. So I would be writing a journal entry like I was Jim Lovell. Okay, so that part you're going to make up, but it will have nonfiction pieces of information. So I'm going to start off by writing that he was an astronaut on Apollo 13. He was known for bringing a damaged spacecraft back to Earth. If we look further on down in our research, he was known for his favorite, or his most famous line was, "Houston, we have a problem." When he realized that there was a problem on the space. This problem occurred, it says, 55 hours after the launch. They noticed a problem with the cryogenic oxygen tank. So they noticed 55 hours into the flight, there was a problem with the oxygen tanks. Now, there are some videos on a lot of these biography websites. You are able to watch those videos and get some factual information from that. I am not going to do so during this time simply because I want you to be able to have this time to research your own person. Now, when you get this on Google Classrooms, you're going to choose one of the three people that were on Apollo 11 that we read about: Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, and Michael Collins. There are two sources for each. At this time, you don't have to worry about citing the sources. We will talk about that more later. We have taken the sources and found them for you, so you don't have to spend time looking for a credible source that we've previously talked about how to do. So right now, go ahead and choose who you're going to research and find some information about your person. Please remember that you can use quotations from the text, so exact words. You can paraphrase it, so use some of the author's words and some of your own words, or you can put it all into your own